This week I'm working on another abstract faces painting. I've been making these paintings for over 20 years. People have asked me why I make these, what do they mean, and what's the inspiration behind them. So if you're interested, keep watching. I'm going to do my best to explain just that. This all started when my grandfather was dealing with the later stages of Alzheimer's. I found myself drawing these single portraits that were made up of individual parts. I think I was obviously coping with the fact that my grandfather was losing parts of his personality. So I kept drawing these fractured portraits, and I started putting them next to each other, creating multiple faces that blended into each other. I was always fascinated with how people influence each other and how we become part of those around us and the effect that we can have on others through our actions and behaviors. I'm also fascinated by how we are all connected at the quantum level as well. So I just kept thinking about the positive and negative effects of how people rub off on each other, become interconnected, how their personalities are intertwined, and how we all evolve together. This concept is really all about interconnectedness. So I guess you could say that I've kind of become obsessed with this idea. And over the years, I've just continued to push the idea aesthetically. The concept hasn't changed that much, but the way in which I represent it has. Oftentimes I find that viewers want to know what was the intent, what was the artist thinking, and how did they arrive where they ended up? How did the art come to be? And as a creator, I'm happy to share that, but I'm also just as interested in how others perceive the artwork without knowing anything about why it was made. Some people see drama, some see love, some see animals and cars and cities and all manner of things. And that's all good. So what do you see? I'd be absolutely fascinated to hear, good, bad, or ugly, what these things mean to you.